What up, y'all? We over here about this Black Ops, so we better go ahead and about to Besiege 3. And yeah, so I think the last video we had to talk about the guns, the stuff that I was gonna hear about the Prestige. It was actually Prestige 3, and yeah, so I'm looking at all the stuff that we gonna have to unlock and have to get and everything for the Prestige and everything. So I'm gonna keep, like I said, I'm trying to reach to all the way to 10 and 6 and all the way to these unlockables and stuff. It's the same unlockables that I'll play like first the beginning of the game and everything. What else? I have thought about playing Warzone, but I only play it probably because of the what was it? I only play Warzone simply because like I wanted to and everything, but if I want to do it, actually I'll do it anyway. But this is like the class setup for it, that what I got. And I heard this shotgun, the Storm, is supposed to be not that good, and the 9mm, this weapon, is supposed to be good. And this is all the attachments I got for it and everything. So I don't know what to expect for these guns, but make sure y'all like and comment, subscribe, and turn y'all guys notifications. And yeah, we're gonna get into it. And yeah, so we're gonna try to play this game, have fun, and yeah, so I'll probably see y'all on the next video. Peace. All right, let's use this shotgun, see what this says, and see what the reviews of it. Okay, our first victim. Oh no. Oh yeah, this is dookie butt. Oh no, this is straight up dookie butt. They were not lying about this camping. That is crazy, fool. Oh no. Yeah, this ain't it. They need to nerf this weapon if this is that bad, because I tell you this right now, because this is a what? Man, look at that, man. Look how them shots he was taking, and he was still. Yeah, bruh. This ain't it. Damn, I'll tell you one thing. I'm getting my ass killed. This map, though, that I'll also be playing, though, this is a very, very small map, though, because overall, though, like, this map, they'll usually never be this. I mean, it's a lot of chaos coming around this map, so. But yeah, this shotgun, this is terrible. This is really terrible for a weapon, though, because god damn. And I got lucky right there. I don't know how I did. Oh shit, that didn't blow my arms off. But this shit is terrible. I had never thought that this weapon would be that bad. I'm thinking this whole entire time like it's gonna be a good weapon. And then when I unlocked it, something just told me, let me see the reviews of this weapon. I looked it up, and it's true. It's not a good weapon. Not a good weapon at all. So I don't know what if I want to keep using this weapon, because, or maybe I might have to use it just on what's the name of that game mode? Hardline or some shit. The hardcore? I can't remember. I might have to use that for this gun to be able to unlock this gun, because this gun is this weapon is bad. It's very, very bad. I didn't think of it would be this bad. This is horrible. Yeah, man. But other than that, though, how's your day? I've been straight. Man, what the fuck? This gun is bad. But that's fucking bullshit, though. Yeah, this gun is horrible. I had better. It's better than the other shotgun. But that's a good damn shotgun anyway, though. I mean, I can't say much about that weapon anyway. Man, look at that, man. This is terrible. I had somebody behind me this whole entire time, didn't even know it. Man, look at them shots, though. That is terrible. You only take like 10 rounds of them to kill these dudes. I might need to get a assault pack. But then I got Savage, so I don't know. But just by having this weapon, this is not a weapon that I never thought. I thought it would be a good weapon, but this is not that good at all. I don't know. I had better weapons than this. Man, this is terrible. Shit, at least I'm getting kills though. But it's just, I don't know. I just don't fuck with it. It's my first time using that the specialty, so I don't know what to expect on this one. Excuse me. But this weapon is weird. Like I said, everybody saying it was bad, but the news is true. Yeah, bruh. Because I should have killed Buddy right there. That's crazy. Oh well. Well, I'll see y'all in the next video.
Kill order. Use of deadly force has been approved. The lead is ours.
Flashbang incoming!
Hostiles reclaimed the lead.
Not this time, you son of a bitch!
HVT under fire. Repeat, HVT under fire. You're being outflanked, Crimson One.
I got enemy Molotov!
We're winning. Keep it up. We took out their HVT.
UAV standing by.
Get a
You're
UAV
falling
on
behind,
point.
Crimson.
UAV established overhead.
HVT is taking fire. Keep the package safe. Hostile HVT located. Enemy HVT is down. They got our HVT.
UAV mission timeline 50% expended.
On site. Take them out. Friendly HVT on site. Keep them safe.
Priority capture request release. UAV exiting your grid.
We took out their HVT. Hostile HVT located. HVT under fire. Repeat, HVT under fire.
Archangel is hot.
Enemy HVT is down.
Frag.
Our HVT has been eliminated. Enemy HVT on site. Take them out. You are our HVT. Stay alert. We took out their HVT.
Sniper removed.
Hostile HVT located.
Requesting CUAV above. Get a UAV on grid.
Protect our HVT.
Enemy grenade!
HVT is taking
Flashbang
fire.
incoming!
Enemy HVT is down. They've got our HVT. Friendly HVT on site. Keep them safe. Enemy HVT on site. Take them out.
digging in. Hostile Molotov.
We took out their
Your best
HVT.
work. Shooting me, you got some balls.
TACOM, deploy counter UAV. TACOM, I need eyes overhead.
Net call. Sleeper agent detected. HVT under fire. Repeat, HVT under fire. Hostile HVT located.
Bravo requesting UAV.
Our HVT has been eliminated. Enemy HVT is down. Enemy HVT on site. Take them out.
Also flashbang. Move up. Marksman is down.
Requesting recon above.
Protect our HVT.
Get a counter UAV in the air.
HVT is taking fire. Keep the package safe. They got our HVT. Friendly HVT on site. Keep them safe. HVT under fire. Repeat, HVT under
Went
fire.
and got cocky, didn't ya?
We took out their HVT.
Too fucking close.
Our HVT has been eliminated. Eyes up. You're the HVT.
Signal low running.
Hostile HVT located. Protect our HVT. Enemy HVT is down.
Got a runner.
They were already dead. Just hadn't realized. Good job.
Adler's lot are on the run. Solid job, Crimson.
Well, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and end it right there. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn y'all guys notification, and I'll see y'all guys on the next video. Peace.